Once upon a time, there was an orphan boy, only 20 years old. He was an orphan. No parents. No home. No one was waiting for him at the end of the day. Every morning, he woke up with an empty stomach and a heavy heart. People walked by without paying attention to him. Some looked down on him. Others ignored him completely. But the boy never asked, "Why is my life so unfair?" Instead, he asked a simple question: how did I survive today? Life never gave him easy opportunities. He did whatever work he could find, carrying heavy loads, washing dishes, doing jobs that no one else wanted. Sometimes he was cheated. Sometimes he wasn't paid at all. At night, he lay awake under the cold sky, hungry, tears flowing silently. But even at his lowest point, he never thought of giving up. Because he knew one thing. If he stopped fighting, no one would fight for him. At 20, many people have families, educations, and clear dreams. But this boy had one thing in common: a heart that refused to give up. He believed that if he kept going, life would eventually change. Every failure became a lesson. Every fall made him stronger. Life taught him that true strength doesn't come from muscle or money. It comes from a soul that refuses to give up. One day, after years of struggle, the unexpected happened. He met someone who believed in him. Not because of money, but because of opportunity. For the first time, the boy felt something he had never felt before. That his life was worth living. From that moment on, he worked harder than ever. That small spark of hope became a light, guiding him through the darkness. Today, the poor orphan boy is not yet rich or famous. But he has already won the most important battle. He did not give up. He still stood. Still fought. Still dreamed. His story reminds us that people do not lose because they are poor or born unlucky. They only lose when they stop. And if a 20-year-old orphan can keep going, so can you. Before you leave, please take a moment to share with us. And please tell us. What country or state are you watching from? What time is it now for you? How did this story make you feel? Did it inspire you, touch your heart, or remind you of your life? Please tell us in the comments. Your words are very valuable. Would you like a sequel, part 2? If you do, please comment the word part 2 and tell us how you want the story to continue. If this story touched your heart, please click like. Share with those who need encouragement. And don't forget to subscribe to our Mystic History channel. Your support is a great strength for us to continue creating great stories. Thank you and see you in the next one.